So what is the difference between beard butter and beard balm? I know, right? There's like, man, there's so much info out there on all these different products. So what's the difference between these two? Well, you guys, it's relatively easy, and I can help you with that. You guys, real quick, my name is Joe. I go by JT9. Just a guy growing a beard, and along the way I'm learning stuff and passing that on to you, and hopefully helping you. If you got any questions or comments on something that can help you out, leave it in the comments. Like my content, please subscribe, guys. I appreciate that. Okay, you guys, what is the difference between these two products? Really not much. The difference would be that butter is more for nourishing your beard, and balm is more for styling. And what I mean by that is balm has added wax to help keep your beard in place. It helps you style it. I personally don't use balm. I use butter, and I do that in the evenings as a nourishing step for my beard. But I tell you what, it also does help with some styling too, because some of the butters that are in there. So it depends on what you really like and what you want to do. You guys, it's really that easy. Enjoy, and hey, keep growing south.